Hello everyone. We are from President Chulabhorn Science High School, Pathumthani. Today we would like to present our innovative idea, is internet. Hello, we are GreenCircuit Tiger Ranger. Currently, our world is filled with electronic devices that become electronic waste when they reach the end of their lifespan. In 2016, UNEP identified that printed circuit boards were found about 17 million tons of e-waste, which only 3 million tons are eliminated. These printed circuit boards make a significant carbon footprint and makes human harmful. It releases harmful chemicals and being hard to decompose, so it makes noise and water pollution due to its components like plastics, toxic, clothing substance, and halogen. In 2017, EPPO identified that 1.8 million air conditioners were installed in Thailand, and it tends to increase, which means it will have more e-waste in the future.
According with BCG concept, to solve this issue, our team has an idea of creating circuit board for air conditioner from bioagricultural waste, which is mycelium and rustol, that is strong and highly heat resistant. First, we mix between mycelium and rustol in various ratios, R1:1, 1:2, 1:3, and 1:4. Then take it to be formed with hydraulic heat pressure machine. Next, we take it to heat and degradability test to determine the proportion. First, we take the degradability test with 5 factors: artesian soil and sand, 1 week, and 3 samples of water pH 7, acid pH 4, and base pH 10 for 2 days. And heat resistant test with temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for 6 hours.
In conclusion, we found that 1:1 is the best proportion for making printed circuit board due to its properties that it is the strongest, slightly decomposed, and highly heat resistant but doesn't toxic. In summary, the concept of this idea allows BCG's concept. It won't be toxic. It's released to environment. It will reduce accumulating of e-waste and carbon footprint emissions. This innovation will maximize the benefit of rice flour and fungi, which is based in agriculture.
Furthermore, this innovation is low cost to produce. In the future, we can develop this to use with other devices. This innovative idea can diving the Thai economy to in tandem with social development and environmental conservation in a valuable and sustainable manner. Lastly, we persuade every air conditioner companies and other electronic companies of every country to use this innovation to driving economy and solve the problem. Thank you for listening. If you want to know more about our idea, let us explain you in the competition day.
Just the green one.
Yes,
the green.
Yes, I think. Thank you for the presentation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have the green.
We have some something need to be clarified a little bit, right?
Okay.
Which is there will be more question, but I will ask first and then Matt. Yeah.
No,
Okay.
I don't go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know enough to ask questions.
Okay.
So go.
Okay. I wonder in how long it gonna be last your product, your idea, since you said it's biodegradable, right?
Not the container.
You mean its lifespan, right?
Yes, lifespan. You can say lifespan, or it's gonna be. I hope your computer will not be rotten, when you're using it.
Actually, we target to develop this innovation to be used around 20,000 hours, equivalent to the other circuit board. But the duration is too short to do, so we still can't estimate its lifespan. But if we have more time, we believe that we could done it.
So I want to ask the next question. How high the temperature can this board take?
Okay, it can. From our estimate, it can be into 200 degrees Celsius. It can be used in 2,000 degrees Celsius from mycelium's property.
2,000? Again? 2,000?
200, sorry.
I was like 2,000?
Yes. No, sorry.
So again, one more time. 2,000 or 200?
200.
Okay. 200. So, do you think your product is like well insulated? Is the good insulator? Do you think that should what is the property that make you sure that this will be the good insulator? Because I think you make the insulator part on the circuit board.
From our experiment, we found that it can be used in 100 degrees Celsius for 6 hours and it didn't change at all. Yes.
Okay, you
From
have the
property of
preliminary
material.
for 6 hours, right? And 100.
Research with me.
6 hours and 100. Okay.
Okay, it's very interesting, but the only thing that I would like to know is that when you make the print circuit board, you have to make sure that you have to put some metal parts on top of it as well, right? How do you sure that, how are you sure that this one will be able to make a complete circuit, because you need to put diodes or whatever other parts of electrical parts on the top as well. So you think it's gonna work with your innovation?
Sure.
How to convince me?
For our innovative idea, we want to produce the substrate and then we have to coating with bio solder mask to put the other electronic components there. Yes.
Any plan that you wanna add on that
Yes, sure. In the future.
in the future? Okay.
Okay. So you so continue with Professor Abhishek said I was do you know currently how did they print that metal part, the metal line on the circuit board, on the PCB? Do you know what did they do?
They use copper. They use copper, but we use carbon ink to print on this substrate. We use carbon ink to print on the substrate.
Actually have to be clear, but it also can use
Yeah. So it's a metal part, right?
metal.
Metal part.
They have to cut down a little bit.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to, because I would love to see it in a commercial, but let's say that
Come and make company with us.
yeah, I just want to make sure that you know the current technology, right?
Oh, one last question, Kat. Time out. Okay. So if this technology is not work for the print circuit board, what is other application you think of? Just quick answer.
For this innovative idea, right?
Yeah. Other application instead of PCB. Okay, never mind. Just come and study with us at Gatesat.
In the future, we plan to expand the scope of the project by optimize its properties of this printed circuit screen and adapt it to be used in another devices. So this solution will definitely be good for commercial.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes.
Thank you.
We appreciate your answer. Okay.